Good evening, students. This is the circular of the Central Board of Secondary Education stating the cancellation of class 10 exam and class 12 exam has been postponed. So here one more criteria is given in the circular, that is objective criteria. In second point, clearly you can see board exams of class 10 which were going to be held from 4th May to June 7 are cancelled now. But result of this class 10 board will be prepared on the basis of objective criteria. Now this objective criteria will be given by board. They maybe they have not decided yet, but they will give, and school has to follow. All CBSE school has to follow the same. But school teachers and parents are assuming that maybe internal exams will play vital role in this objective criteria. So they are thinking like that. So anything can happen. We have to just hope for the best. And after the result announcement, means suppose if a student want or if a student is not satisfied with their marks allocated, okay, so on the basis of that, they can apply to write an exam, okay, and that is also conditional because when conditions are conductive to hold the exam, this also mentioned. So if condition permit to take the exam online or offline, they will that also will be decided by the board, then they can apply for that. As of now, one objective criteria board will give, and according to that marks will be given to class 10 students. As far as class 12 board exam is concerned, from May 4 to June 14 it was scheduled before, but now it is not cancelled, but likely to be postponed. It is likely to be postponed, and that meeting also will be taken on 1st June by the board. Okay, and details will be shared subsequently. So as soon as I'll get new details, new circulars, I'll inform you. But before the exam, they will give 15 days notice. Means 15 days before only they will tell that exams will be going to start. You have to prepare accordingly. So like that they will give. So this is the very major news from the CBSE today. It has come. We can just wait for an objective criteria to be proposed by the CBSE board.